everyone, thanks for checking in on Park Ranger John. We just checked into the Farview Lodge in Mesa Verde National Park, and I wanted to give you a look around. We have a deluxe Kiva room with a king-size bed, as you can see here. And then there's a small desk there. Seating area. I'm going to bring you to the bathroom. There's this tiny little fridge there. I will say this walkway is a little tight. And then there's an armoire here. Excuse the fan. There's the bathroom. And full-size hub. And then, let's turn that fan off. The really cool thing with these is they're considered a deluxe view room. And you have a little balcony and table and this view. And again, this is the Farview Lodge at Mesa Verde. Keep an eye out on Park Ranger John for even more information.